Welcome back to a new episode of Cooking Around. Today we prepare a vanilla extract, essential ingredient to take every dessert to the next level. First of all, open the vanilla bean with a superficial cut, then remove the seeds with the back of the knife. This dose is for 9 whole vanilla beans. You can also find the doses and the ingredients in the description down below. After having removed all the seeds, you can choose to cut the beans into more or less large pieces. For 9 beans, you need 150 grams of neutral alcohol 95%, 120 grams of water, and 120 grams of cane sugar. You can also use caster sugar if you prefer. Put the sugar and water in equal proportion in a saucepan and bring it to a boil. When it starts to boil, let go on a medium heat for 10 minutes until the bubbles become bigger and darker and the sugar caramelizes. If this is the first time you are on the channel, consider to subscribe and click on the bell to not miss the next recipe. And also remember to leave a like to help the channel grow. Just like that. At this point, turn off the stove and let it cool down for about 5 to 10 minutes. Put the seeds and the vanilla beans cut in pieces and mix well. After 5 minutes, when it's still lukewarm, put the alcohol and mix until it is homogeneous. Don't worry if the alcohol tends to separate, it's normal. It's still a natural homemade product. Just remember to shake it before using it. Keep mixing. When it reaches room temperature, put in a jar with a airtight seal or any simple jar of jam, remembering to clean and sterilize it. Remember to shake it every time before using it, and also every 2 or 3 days so that the sugar does not crystallize on the bottom of the jar. The best results will be reached after 6 months, but you can use the extract already after 1 month. And if stored properly in a cool dry place away from the light, you won't have to worry about the expired date. Watch one of these recipes and I'll see you there. Stay hungry!